Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we are going to find the solution for the problem right here. Count the different characters in a string and also their frequencies and finally return them. So if you have a string Google, here we have to find the number of characters specifically that we have used to form this string Google. So if we remove all the duplicates from the string, we will get these characters that we have used specifically to form this word Google. But we also used the repetitions of these characters to form this Google. So here we have to find only the number of specific characters that we have used, but not the repetition at all. And then we have to find the character frequencies. So the character frequencies means how many times the character has appeared in a string. For example, if we have this string Google, here G has appeared for 2 times, and then O for 2 times, and L for 1 time, and E for 1 time. So here we have to return the count of the specific characters we used, and here we have to return the character frequencies of the specific characters that we have used. So let's get started. So for this, first of all, I'm going to create a function solve and giving it a parameter string. So here this string is the user inputted value. So here to find the frequencies of the characters, we have to iterate through each and every character of that string. So before doing that, here we have to return the output of the frequencies in the form of dictionaries. That is because if we observe here, first of all, there is the character and then its value. So this character can be the key of the dictionary, and this frequency of the character can be the value. So here, first of all, I'm going to create a variable output as an empty dictionary, and to iterate through each and every character of a string, I'm going to create a for loop. So for I in string, so here we are iterating through each and every character of this string. And here, while we are iterating through that string, first of all, if we find a new character, then we have to add that key to this output dictionary. So to know whether that key is in this output dictionary or not, I'm going to load all the keys of that output at a time and store them in a variable called keys. So here keys is gonna be equals to output dot keys. So here the keys of this output dictionary is going to be stored in the variable keys. And here, if I is not in keys, so that means for the first iteration of a new character, if that character is not presented in this keys variable, then we have to add that to that keys variable. That means we are adding that character as the key of this dictionary output. So to add that, I'm going to call that as output of I is going to be initially valued as 1. So here the output of I is going to be 1 initially. And if we find the same character for the next time, here we are going to add else statement, then just increase the value of that by 1. So in this if statement, we are adding the new character as the key in this output dictionary and assigning the initial value of that key as 1. And in the else part, if we find the character in these keys, then we are going to increment its value by 1. And finally, we are going to return that output. And let me print this function by passing the argument Google. So let me run this. Oh, here we have gotten an error. We have not indexed this value properly. So let me run that again. Yeah, here we have gotten the output in the form of dictionary, and here the keys are the characters that we find in the string that we have passed, that is Google. And here G has appeared for 2 times, and O for 2 times, L for 1 time, and E for 1 time. So what if I change this lowercase g to uppercase G, and if I run this? So here I have gotten the uppercase G for 1 and this lowercase g for 1 time. So what if I want to consider this uppercase G and lowercase g as the same character, and I want to produce the result that G has appeared for 2 times, irrespective of its upper or lower cases. I want to print that result. So let me know your suggestion for that in the comment section below. So, and here we have to return the number of characters we have used in this string. So let me change that back to G, that is lowercase g, and here we have to return the number of characters. So to return that, each time we face a new character, we are adding a character as a key for this output dictionary. So in that case, the one and only statement in the for loop is being executed is this if statement. So each time if we find a new variable, then we have to count that variable. So to count that, first of all I want to create a variable count with the initialization of 0, and each time if we find a new variable, we are going to increment that count by 1. And finally I'm going to return the list of this output dictionary and the variable count. So let me run this. So here we have gotten this dictionary of the character frequencies and the number of characters that we have used. So what if we use this uppercase G here? So will it change the number of characters to 5 or not? So let us run this. Yeah, it has changed the to 5, but here I want to return 4. To return that 4, it is enough if we do not consider the uppercase G and the lowercase g as the separate characters. But so let me know your suggestion to do so in the comment section below, and if you have any doubts, please let me know them in the comment section below. And however, I will add the solution for this in the comment section. And for more videos, subscribe my channel and also hit the like button for now. Thank you.